Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app. I will go with Play Store. Then click on Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app, opened in the background, and select floating window. As you can see, now I can use my Play Store and this little window over here. You can move it around by holding this line and dragging it whenever you wish to. You can also use it to overlay other apps by clicking at the chosen one and operating in both of them. If you wish to make this app small, you can click Home button twice. If you wish to make it big again, just click on it. If you wish to go back from this mode, tap on this icon at the top right corner, or go into Background Apps and close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!